Hello and welcome to a demo of Codat's Supplier Enablement product. I'm Matthew James, a solutions engineer at Codat, and I'll guide you through our out-of-the-box product designed to help issuing banks access comprehensive and up-to-date data for supplier enablement. First, we will look at the solution through the eyes of the relationship manager tasked with requesting spend details from potential cardholders. Second, we'll see the client experience, and we will finish off looking at the actual granular spend data. And we'll look at this in Excel for simplicity. Let's get started in the Relationship Manager portal. This is a UI that enables relationship managers to create and manage their portfolio of clients. Let's create this new entry and input some information about this company. Once we've entered the information, we can also manage which users are assigned to this company. And after adding this, we're prompted to send a request. And since this is a card client, we'll select Spend Analysis. We'll see a preview of the email that will be sent to the client. And when we click on Request Information, that email is sent, and that's it from the Relationship Manager. We'll check back later when this client's information is available. Now let's see what this looks like for the client. The client receives an email from their relationship manager branded with your bank's logo and customized to your needs. When the client clicks on View Request, they're sent to Codat's secure onboarding portal with the option to fill in manually or connect the ERP. Clients who opt to manually input information are given a downloadable Excel template, meaning that all information requests can come through Codat. And no matter which method is selected, this will come back to you in a standardized format. To save time, however, most clients will connect their ERP, so let's have a look at what that process looks like. Codat connects to a number of different leading accounting platforms, and today we will have a look at the QuickBooks Online connection journey. We're redirected to log in to QuickBooks and authorize from here. The customer puts in their username and password, and powered by an OAuth 2 flow, they log directly into their platform. Once the customer has logged in, they'll see a permissioning screen connecting to their company, and clicking on Connect will enable API connection, and Codat will pull on the bank's behalf that complete spend file. And that's all for the customer journey. Going back to the Relationship Manager portal, we can see that WidgetCo has shared their spend file, and this data is available. We're able to download that spend analysis file, and let's have a look at that in Excel now. Within this Excel, there are 3 tabs going from highest level to most granular. This Customer tab provides a concise summary and metadata, meaning you can quickly size this opportunity. For example, here we see there are payments of about $12 million. The Spend Analysis tab provides an automated payment mix report, presenting various metrics cut by payment method. This is useful for sizing the opportunity going a little bit more granular. For example, this client is paying 47 suppliers by check for a total of about $5 million. Finally, the Supplier Analysis tab gives the comprehensive overview of client suppliers, offering valuable insights not readily available, such as frequency of late payments and the average settlement terms for a supplier's bills. This data enables even better conversations with suppliers, meeting them where they are and increasing the percentage of suppliers that accept. As a final note, this Excel file is compatible with MasterCard and Visa's matching services and can be refreshed anytime for a seamless card campaign experience. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this demo of Codat's Supplier Enablement product. And if you're interested in learning more about how banks like JP Morgan are using this solution, please get in touch.